Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to talk about a not so common plant, a flowering plant called pineapple lily. So uh, this is blooming right now, and the name comes from the fact that it has this stem in the middle, and then all the flowers bloom around it, and then again on the top there are leaves, so it uh, looks like a pineapple here. So it's a native plant of southern Africa, and it likes really warm temperatures, so it needs to be planted in full sun with well drained soil. And if it doesn't like winters, so in winters this needs to be moved inside. The bulb has to be dug out and then kept inside, and then come March it can be planted again. So basically the planting time is from March to May, and the flowering time is from uh, you know July, August, September, that is the time. So it's a very unique plant, and unfortunately, I have only one plant, so I want to propagate it. So there are multiple ways of propagating. So one is that once it grows, then it will have some side shoots, some side bulbs developing. Then you can divide them and make multiple plants. Another is by seeds. Now if you come closer, I'll show you. See these plants, in the middle you see this green stuff, that's the seed pod developing there. So once it becomes even drier, then it will have seeds, and they can be harvested, and you can grow them with seeds. But third very interesting way of propagating is through its leaves. That's the method I find it really interesting, so I'm going to do that today. So I have here scissors which I have sterilized. I have used household rubbing alcohol to clean it, because when you are cutting the leaves and then putting them in the soil, you want everything to be kosher, it should be clean. So you need to take a leaf which is well grown. This leaf, it's young enough, but it looks fully grown. So this looks like a good candidate to me. So I'm just going to go to the bottom and just cut it like this. So now let's just go to our workstation and we'll plant it. So I got one more leaf because I thought, I'm going to plant it here, and probably it will not, I'll not be able to get 6 pieces out of it. So I got one more leaf. And one thing I forgot to tell you, that you need to water the plant. So like in the morning, water the plant thoroughly so that the leaves are totally hydrated. So it's the evening right now, so they must have been, I watered it in the morning, so they must be properly hydrated. So now we are going to cut about 2 inches long pieces. 1 inch can go inside the soil and 1 inch will stay up. And then you have to remember which side is down and which side is up, because that is very important. You don't want to mess up that. So that's why I'm cutting it slightly slanted, so I will know the pointed side is down. So cut here, and then cut here, and cut here. So this pointed side is down. And now I'm going to take some rooting hormone, because that will prevent the formation of fungus in these leaves. So then just take the downside and slather it in the rooting hormone, and make a space. Let's put it here. just like that. Then again, this one has, this pointed side down, so just cover it with rooting hormone, and then so I'm going to fill it with more soil so that they stay firm. Just water it a little bit. And you need to, because it's green leaves, you need to put it in a lit area. I mean, not in direct sun, but it should get enough light, and it should stay humid also. So it should stay warm and humid and should get indirect light. So what I'm going to do is that I have this plastic box. So I'm going to just cover it like this. So what will happen is that the light will go inside, so it will get the light and the warmth, and this, because it is covered, it will keep the moisture inside. And once in a while, maybe in 2-3 days, I'll open it up so that it gets some fresh air, and then I'll, in 6 to 8 weeks, it should develop some roots. So I'll report on that. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.